Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Cole.
Welcome to our home. Today, we've got a special treat for you called the Rainy Day Parade. Okay, so a lesser known fact about Disney is that they have a parade called the Rainy Day Parade. You can't see it just any time, but it's kind of an unscheduled event that happens only when it rains and there's no lightning. And so we're going to take you guys and watch it with you. And while we're watching it, I'm going to eat this miniature Mickey Premium bar. Now don't be jealous, but that's what I'm going to do. Let's watch the show. So what was weird about this is it really wasn't raining, but it had just rained.
Yeah. So I'm sure they were planning on it to be still raining. But I really like this theme song. I think it's one of their better theme songs. Granted, it's not nearly as good as the Festival of Fantasy, but still.
Now this happens right down Main Street.
Yeah.
And so that's where you'll see this when it happens.
And the most interesting thing about this show is the fact on this day, they were doing the 4th of July, and usually they'd show it about 3 times, the Festival of Fantasy, but they had shown the Festival of Fantasy I think once or twice already, and then they showed this show. It's like everyone who was there on the 4th of July got to see both parades on the same day. I just thought that was kind of interesting.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, I mean, it's such a short parade, I didn't even make it through this tiny Mickey Premium bar. And so it's not a very long parade, and if you're inside of a store shopping and you're in the middle of paying for something, you're not going to see it. I mean, it's that fast. I mean, that's what we were inside of, the one that sells the Pandora bracelets and the purses, the Loungefly purses and the Dooney and Burke purses and all that stuff.
I'll put it up.
We were inside of that store when this started, and it goes down and then it comes back, and we caught it on the way back because it was so fast. And so, like I say, you may not get to see it when you're there. It just kind of is if you're there when it happens kind of parade. You can't really schedule it, but hey, you just got to see it, and you didn't have to go spend $4,000 to do it. Courtesy of me and Cole. We love you guys. Alright, if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. And until next time, from our house to yours.